He come and knock the door. Hey, you are crying inside. Then I said, I want to cry but cannot even cry. Then he said, open the door lah, we face it together. From a student become a world champion, it took me around 13 to 14 years. In the end, it's the experience which brought me to where I am today. My name is Tan. I am a pastry chef. I like chocolate. I do a lot of chocolate. 2019 is the year that our dream comes true. "12 years back, there's not much pastry academy in Kuala Lumpur or Malaysia. I met my current boss, Chef Niklash, the owner for this entire school, APCA Malaysia or Academy of Pastry of Malaysia. I'm really happy and lucky that I choose to join here because sharing gives me the most joy. So I want to share a technique to all my students. When I share a new skill, I feel super happy. This academy invited a lot of chefs, world champion or best craftsmen in different kind of country. So most of my skill coming from the company. If not, I don't think we can be the world champion. So in 2013, I have a chance to represent Malaysia for the Pastry World Cup, or we call it as Coupe du Monde de la Patisserie. It is a competition for 10 hours. I was responsible for sugar showpiece and chocolate cake. I remember like 9 hours 50 minutes when I want to carry out the display. Suddenly there's a crashing. It fell into more than 100 pieces. I'm a bit stunned. Totally, you don't know what to think. Mainly is I feel very sorry to my partners because we use around 1 year to prepare. We carry a lot of expectation when we go to France. After we clean everything, I hide inside the washroom. Chef Otto, he's my partner since 2013. He come and knock the door. Hey, you are crying inside. Then I said, I want to cry but cannot even cry. Then he said, open the door lah, we face it together. When I'm down, he's with me. And when we are champion, we are together also. Around 1 year, I have a phobia. Every time I build the things, I'm really gonna fall down. But also I would think, is the student confidence on the piece that I built together with them. So after 1 year, okay, I would say I get my confidence back up. Both want open shop or want to come into this line, you have to be open-minded. But when the information you get, you have to digest what social media gives you and learn from it. Enchante is the online shop. It's French, meaning welcome. During MCO, I think it's just the right time and it suits everything that we have during 2020. It keep running until now and I'm happy with the growth of it. No matter you are world champion or you get whatever title before, if you are not improve yourself, just 3 to 4 years right, you will be eliminated. You have to be humble to improve. So you have to adjust yourself and learn the new trend. Thanks a lot for watching and thanks for my weekend plan to organize everything. If you want to know more about my products, you can visit Enchante Patisserie, or want to know more about the baking tip, you can visit my weekend plan and also APCA Malaysia. Thanks a lot for watching. I see you around. Bye.